In this short and basic video, I will show you how to calculate a weight average grade in Microsoft Excel. I have this sample and example data. Here we will use the formula. So press equal any cell where you need this result. Then type sum product. Double click on it. Select grade. Enter the comma. Right. A closing bracket. Forward slash sum. Double click on it and select weight. Closing bracket. Then press enter. So this way we have this result. I will show you this formula again. Equal sum product. Select grade. Select weight. Closing bracket. Slash sum. Closing bracket and press enter. So thanks for watching.